So might just search some friends on using. Okay. Learning for exam theory infrastructure. Got it. Hosting will go well. Okay. So now um, this is the most difficult part in my study. Infrastructure, actually, I do not really understand the classes as well. So perhaps I will use the theory presentation always because I'm still not remember much things and it's kind of difficult for me to understand these. Yeah, I don't know. I will look for it once when I do my assignments. Yeah, just slow for this once and then Tuesday I will do it once again to prepare for the exam on Wednesday. Okay, go. Okay, maybe I will watch also for the solutions, but you know, okay, it should be okay like this. Control C, Control V, and then pages. Okay, this page has people focus solutions. Okay, random stories. Okay, their English songs is stupid. Which command do you see? Current date is date. You just only see the date and not the time. So we have like percentage. I don't remember the percentage D, I think. Okay, percentage F or percentage B. Which command can you use to see how many lines is word count BUC? The line is minus L and this folder. Okay, you use to see what type, what file or the file. So it is file. See what file type. Start. Oh, this file. Okay, is right. Okay, I'm right. Which key combinations can you see to switch workspaces in the graphical environment? Switch workspaces. You change directory. Graphical environment. Oh, they are control alt right arrow. Okay, I'm gonna use this so much. I've never use this, so maybe I will use graphical environment. Control alt alt and conditionally link the commands uptime and date. They should only run if uptime was successful. Uptime and then pipeline date. I think so. Yeah, uptime and end date. Ah, just it. Uptime and end date. Double N. Okay. Percent date, percentage M, the percent is format. Percentage F. Word count. It's gonna show the files type. Okay, next. Which command can you use to see the first headline? Is head minus n and 10 in the file. Also with this, oh, maybe with the 10 we do not need to write head and sorry guys, this is my Pokemon. New. Can I put it in? gosh. Okay. Which command can you use to see your first 10 lines? Is at minus n10 in the folder or file. Yeah, this etc group. With this, but with the 10, we do not need to write a 10. Okay. First 15 lines, it is this. Yeah, this hat and minus n15 with the 10, just like hat only, do not need. Which can try to enter the command grep minus s window etc, which can use to play window with Linux without retyping it completely. Windows with the Linux. Enter this new one. Okay, I do not have the command prompt, so I do not know how it works. Just like retype it. Let's do it or retype it. Oh, I do not know the answers. 8. Oh, it is IS. And then, oh, just use this hat. Okay, and like this. Okay, remember to replace things. There it is. Okay, we use this hat for replace things. Windows with Linux, for instance. But obviously we do not use this, so too much time, right? But we can replace by using that. Okay, it's good. Which command can you use to see previous commands? Oh, it is history, right? It is the history. Yeah, it is history. We can use the arrow also. Which way should a Linux administrator use tab condition is more concise and more faster in typing? Which bash command can user use to change in her password? Is passwd. Okay. How can you use the shortcut ESC plus B used? What does it do? Um, yeah, good at theory actually. As fast as you have to type everything, it making mistake. Yeah, it's precise. It's more precise and more and faster. Yeah, password. It is going to be file bin slash pdf to ps and ls minus lesc plus brings the arguments using is bring the previous arguments in the previous comments. Okay, like the history, but we do not need to type it. Yes, I think so. Oh gosh, I forget this. A user sees the following prompt. Okay, username is truck. Ah, trooper. Have administrative privileges? No. It should be a hashtag if it is stolen, so it's not. What is the host name? Trooper. Yeah, host name is trooper. Okay, username is trooper. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, it's name is okay. Remember First one is the username, and after the at is the server. Okay. Yeah, student server. Right? Oh my gosh, I log in every time. Shit. Calm down. Okay. Sure. Trooper is the username. Your character is the host. Okay. Do not make the mistakes again. This user, yeah, it has is hashtag arguments, mm, command, then options, and the argument is slash etc slash option is minus al, and then command is ls. Okay, I remember this. Good. Still fine. The prompt and the hashtag. Okay, slash is the arguments. Options is a minus al, and options are minus af. Sorry, and command is ls. Listing. Have a look at the line below. What will the command do, and what is the meaning of the pipeline? Okay, with this command, it will do that to show the date because as it means that we will do the date. So do this command, and if it does not work, we will show this command. Yeah, but I still don't know. But obviously, it will work. So just show the date. Okay, just check it once again. Listen, so first of all, if we execute a command, yeah, that's it. I cover the theory myself once after I do this because they are actually difficult. Each command shows the present working directory. Okay, is print working directory. Okay, next we command used to change to AC, change directory, is to rename is move, like move file one to file new name. Or folders also work, but we have like minus b, minus r. If I use cat make directory, but with the directory like for below some minus p. And sometimes we use verbose also for minus b, but it's good. So like this, if it's a folder, we need minus p parent folder. Can be used to change directory to your user's home directory. Change to your user homes. It is like sneaky, like cd this cd home slash home, and then cd home slash home, and then cd this. Oh gosh, okay, maybe this thing also. Cd move cat. Terra only shows a path. Yeah, cats show all my directory. Cd. Okay. CD sneaky CD home. Yeah, CD nothing. Okay. I still right. Okay, good. It's good myself at this time. Still fine. The basic one is still good. With this one is absolute. The one with this slash is obviously the absolute path. Um, relative. They can be both absolute and relative because the sneaky is like it means slash home slash user the username, so it must be absolute path, but it can be also known as the relative path is not in the invalid. absolute. I don't think so, but it is relative. Absolute path, I think. It's not absolute, okay. Relative, okay. Relative. Yeah, they both. It's not. It is relative. Relative. There's absolute. Oh, yeah, the mistake is not. Okay, sorry, guys. This is not. Although it is relative. I will remember this download. It is relative path. Number three, in this exercise, we create more copies of files. Okay, every time we need to read the data, then the input of every exercise, okay, is must. I forgot to read about yeah the information and sometimes your present working is home student slash home slash student. Yeah, you can change your working home directory to documents using absolute have. It's like cd slash home students slash documents and cd it is documents only. Yeah, because we are in the home student at the moment, so I just need to go to the documents only. This is absolute path. You present working directory, change to TMP folder, right slash TMP, yeah. And then with the relative is like we here, so we need to cd dot to up to the home dot again to up to the slash, then just change TMP. Yeah, dot and TMP. Next, session C, home student, create empty file in the documents called file relative.txt. Okay, make directory document slash files relate file relative txt using the touch. Yeah, touch documents slash this file. Empty file document called file absolute. So it is home slash experience slash documents slash the things to check the result. So it is ls minus l3a no this lck a is also minus l and then just the documents. Copy the file. Oh my god, D E G F H I G 6 7. Okay, 7 tasks. So ABC first. C. Touch document. Yeah, just it. Good. Yeah. Okay. So fine. Cat. Okay. It's okay here to always C. Oh, we do not have the answers for C. I think if someone forgot it, then it's still okay. Copy the file absolute to the desktop folder using absolute. Copy is just like CP, and then rewrite this file name but we use absolute path. So it's like snake is also good as slash document slash find this file name, and then we write slash desktop. Here is the desktop, like copy the file name. With this one, we use absolute, okay, and then we to the file destination is slash desktop. Okay, file relative is simply stuff using the relative, so it's is copy document and the file relative to .txt to the desktop. Yeah, not like desktop. Oh, yeah, because we need an absolute path is home student desktop. We use ls to check. Mhm. Nothing too much, like ls documents to check it. I usually use -l for the long listing. Yeah, home student documents file. Yeah, and change it to the home student desktop. Okay, copy is good. Now next, move on to next. Copy the file using absolute path, just the same thing. With the relative path, we use dot. I mean, 2 times dot. 2 times dots, right? 1, 2, slash tmp. Document, yeah, just like both. There's nothing different from the first, but with the second one, the file destination, there should be something new, like slash tmp. Next, rename. So it's move. Rename is move. Like move the file or the folder, and then move it. Sometimes we move it to the destination, and then just like file one, and then folder move to the folder one, and then we rename it for the file new one, like this. Folder file new one, like slash. Yeah, just we can then move folder one to the folder two, like we give them -p to avoid the folders or the directory. Copy a file or remove the file. Absolute. Renames, right? Renames is move. It's not remove. It's move. Rename the file absolute.txt in your documents folder to absolute.txt. Okay, it's like move file something, and then just or just rename it so like absolute.txt only. This also move is also work with this. Okay, like this. But we need an absolute path. So should be home, like home, then home blah blah blah. So with this, but with the relative string, we start with the documents only, and then just like these things. No, so where is it? So I'm hearing the music. Listen to the music. Like home student, okay, blah blah blah. Oh, why is there backslash? I don't know why it is here. But it is absolutely like what we do is the folder and the file change to the folder file. Yeah, and this, okay, understand this. Create a folder exam, make directory, move, and move them into create folder on touch. Oh, folder is in make directory, okay. The exam, but in what? Documents also. You do not need to know. So documents like the documents exam, or because we do not have to. That's why absolute fast is more good. And then we can use -pv for verbose to show the things. Still okay. Move them. Move. Yeah, file one, file two. Okay, we use file one, file two is absolute relative path. Absolute, and yeah, then to for exams. So documents, exam only. Okay. Documents. G. Yeah, is for absolute. And is for relative. This move. this move for absolute path. This is like from the relative path. Yeah, file one, file two. I mean, this documents file one, documents file two. Move to where? Documents exam. Okay. Next. H. Copy the folder exam its content to the folder TMP. Copy. I will use the relative path because it's more maybe it's much more faster this time. Document slash exam only. And then move it to like 2, 3. We are in the documents. So we need to do the dot 2 times. The slash TMP. Okay. Copy minus R. Oh yeah, be recursive because we copied the folder. Yeah, slash. Oh yeah, copy just to the destination. I do not need to do that. But to the folder. Sorry guys, just copy something in the folder or file or something to the destination. Okay, interesting. Number I. Oh, sorry, character. Like the example in the documents folder are hidden, so we need to make it like having a dot. So it's a rename exam dot only. Move documents exam. Documents exam dot. Yeah, dot at the final. That is dot. It's between is where we put the dot is at the first the file dot exam. Make it hidden. Delete the folder is delete remove. It's remove exam. So it's remove slash tmp slash exam only. Minus r okay. Still need minus r. Next task number 4. Delete all .txt files from the folder desktop. So it is remove desktop. And then all, so to replace that everything before the .txt we use the star. If replace for it means that 0 to many words, characters, anything like this. If we remove this, yeah, maybe this a file, so maybe we will not need the minus r. Okay, good. Next, copy all files. Have the at first 3 letters like this. Copy and then the file. So that is slash var log and then slash dnf and then star. Or from documents to your documents and then documents here. Okay, good. Next. Copy all files having a name of exactly 4 characters. If it's for exactly things, we use question mark. Okay, copy. etc folder. And 4 characters, so it's 4 question marks. To use, use the shortcut to home student. Okay, good. Next question D. Copy all files having a name starts with letter A, new extension.com, etc to your documents folder. It is like this. Oh, sorry. .com. Okay, it's good, guys. Next. Okay, we also need to remember the destination. Oh, sorry. Remove on file from document folder, so we should be minus documents and star for everything. Create links. Create link document directory to the folder valog. Right link is ln to make make directory. Okay, sorry, it's make directory. Where a link is ln obviously. ln hard link or soft link. If it is a soft link, we need to manage it. If it's not, you do not ask us soft link. No, it's okay, I think. And what link we should have the put first? What's the folder? Then we got the link. Something like a log link one of everything. I think so. Our S documents. In your documents also. Sorry, this on their documents here. Okay, there is documents. Gosh, I forgot this. LMNS. Okay, sure. LMNS. Okay. Then the name of the link here. Like a slash name of the link. What link name? Link one or for instance, like this. This is for the relative, but we can do it with also for the absolute. Create a file on desktop called is touch because only a file touch on maybe make the directory is also okay. Desktop slash original.txt hard link, so it's ln on desktop and this link, so it means ln and then desktop slash original.txt to the document slash original hard link txt, okay. A symbolic link, so it pass minute as element as the document slash original txt, the original sim link text.txt. Oh, but in the full documents, there is an original hard link. Okay. Oh, so if you do this, it will not work right. Oh, it still work. Let's see. Touch, yeah, we can use touch for file. And then ln because it's hard link. Desktop original.txt into the documents. Yeah, okay, it's good. It's good. Next, let's ask. Okay, for the original.txt to the original sim.txt. Okay, and then remove it. It is to work because the hard link is to work with the symbolic link node. Hard link. Oh, with the hard link, I will say that hard link is always points out we have the product. It is and with the like we have box one, box two. With the hard link, we show up to this. Expand, yeah. But after deleting hard link is to work. This. Way to follow folder structure using brace expansion. Slash home slash student slash documents slash assignment slash, and the final one is shipping blah blah blah. Okay, just make directory pv okay slash blah 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 everything. The final one is like this. Okay, that is where I will work from week 1 to 6. Anything is for number 8. Anything, okay. And then now, okay, it works. Next. Okay, with this is also work. Documents. With this, we will work like this. Bulgaria, comma, Rwanda. And then just another slash because both have report and photos. At this term, they both have reports and photos. So we can work with, but in the other circumstances, we're not because they have the same elements in the folder. Yeah, okay, it's defined with the slash or the comma. Next, more challenging. We like week 1 and 4, so it is we complete the blue one. If the command is successful, you source the graded .txt file. We go R1, 2 R1, R2, R1, 2. Oh, they are both R1, R2. Because they are both R1, R2. So as I mentioned, yeah, let's see. Okay, R1, R2 like this. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, sure. And also because they both need so like this, use the end, and for me, I like do everything with this. Yeah, but it's not folders only. You don't get the task. Says that we need to do the blue one first, and then do the yellow one. So okay, have touch for the file like this. Is the file so use touch. Create a folder backup your documents or whatever it is today. Use the date command to apply today's date to file name. So there's create a folder so make directory obviously. What is PV? In the documents. So it is document slash and then with like braces I think brackets I think documents and then is it will work I do not know. Percentage F for format. I absolutely don't know where it work. Or use the dollars. Backup. Yeah, yeah. Well, I do not read this then. Just focus on this backup. And we need the dollar size. Okay. So it looks nice now. Next. Press the screen but print screens button. Rename the screenshot to screenshot.png. Explain. Okay, is copy. And then just copy the pictures slash screenshots, the folder picture, the screenshots dot png. Copy this and then change it name to pictures slash screenshot the png dot back. I think is it. Yeah, just make a copy of it and then rename it. Yeah, okay. It's see it here. Yeah, just copy it and then make a new one copy and then just rename it both them. Okay. Next. Assignment number four. Oh my god. There are around 13 assignments and I'm still here. And assignment number three. Okay, okay. Still fine, I think. Maybe because it is not gonna be too much in our exam. It is here. Quite amplify it kind of difficult to edit first. Yeah, the flavor is not good for me. Let's get my health, so I will continue to read it. Okay, we will look through these ones because we do not have much time here. Gives you a list of all main pages about PDF man minus K. Okay. Oh gosh, it is difficult. I mean, actually, this will not really something that we will do on our exams. So just look through this one. Then minus T for short by time, order by time, minus R is reverse. TR is time in the reverse order, okay. Main password. We result in one main, one password. Password help. Host name show set system host name, uname, print system more information. Okay, maybe yeah, nothing to leave simply I'm going to okay. It might not be in our exam, I think, I suppose. Use the main page to find out what the comment is big. Oh no. There's no main pages here. But we can read it once. It's big and cheese and text to speech synthesize synthesizer. The command pipelines that takes hello to the input of speak in eSpeak NG. Trees redirected to program eSpeak. Okay. Remember what carries keywords like charts. Find the option for word to collect is minus L. How can you use word count in a pipeline to count the amount of files and folders? Word count minus L files, folders, list of your current directory. How can you rewrite the output? It's just like word count minus L, then this folder, and then redirect the output is like the greatest I code, and then we just label slash tmp slash quantity. Okay, like this, they will give us the amount. And then just like the weighted size, tm slash tmp slash quantity, and the ls to show us our at the moment our working directory, current working directory. You see the middle page, command password to file code, write the manual page of the command password, and then pipelines, and then like um, to greater size, we need to append it. I don't know. I mean, it's not. So it's more one greater size and then t/tmp/password manual. Okay, now like this in password and then to this. It is then redirected, then upload into this password manual. Man, password. Date and then pipelines and then no date and then two greater size the slash the stop slash today check the result is ls the stop today day yes greater stop today check is ls minute the stop okay or just a cat you show the all things in this file in this term in this time at this time it is that stop slash today you minus L to solve all the things I do, as I usually do. Too much things I think. Oh my gosh, what there too much to do tonight. Sort is a program used to order alphabetically or numerically pipeline to view the content. Okay, view the content is like ls minus L or cat. We use the ls minus L and then pipeline short and then pipeline less. With the pipeline less to read output and all of the output like Intel just like show only the first or 10 lines and the last 10 lines. Then let's we show all. Yeah, okay, pipeline. It's okay, this time we use OS this the command grep root cd star. Okay, the word rooted or LDs or files. Okay, so that was these things. I will do the first F1. So it's gonna be, I mean, on the first things here, and we'll do the to modify errors messages. So we use this. So def new. Okay, and with all of these things, if we got it into, and then we put it like this, it means that all of the errors will be sent to this def node, so it is there discarded and not displayed. The output is stored in the file with the output. We use only the greater. Because if we and then just like tmp blah blah blah. If it is append, we need two sides like this. If it's not, just like this, okay. And then like this, we have the appended. Yeah, the file is not overwritten, just appended. So yeah, to do this. If it's not, if it can be overwritten, so one side is okay, but if it's two, it will be appended. Mhm. And with that, it's gonna say for the errors is number two, and then if we need that, we can also add like this. That is, and this one is five. Okay, okay. Like this, you can see there's gonna be surely this. Then there is difference between these if it's not appended or not. I mean, it's overwritten or not. Okay, both. If it's both, we can use this strongly, so it will be like this for the output, and the arrows is also like this. We can use TMP also, but we can also look at this. And one, it says that okay, the output was right direct into for TMP, and the errors will redirect just like the one. It means that it will redirect into the for the TMP as well as the output. The direct output, okay? Okay, 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 okay. Also, we can use this side for both. If both of them, we can use and greater and just like write one of this is okay. Like what I do is still good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and this is nothing difficult. Just like with this, and one the output is to the blah blah blah, and to the output the errors is to the blah blah blah. T to view all the output on the terminal page by page using less. So it is like T and this, and then apply less. Very pretty, yeah, yeah, yeah. T, and then this for right as I mentioned, the output, and then apply less. Okay, less. What's the difference between one? What is number one do? They do not know, so it not work. That's it. Yeah, as we see. Oh my gosh, too much things. Fighting. Redirection exercise two. Okay. Again, create a file. So it's touch. Add the content to the file. Touch also. A pipe and less. Cat. While SL. The file in like relative absolute part everything. And then pipeline less. Count the number of characters in the last chapter line is with capital C. Okay, sorry, it means should be cat or ls first, and then pipeline word capital C, and then pipeline in the tail 20 lines. Tail minus n20. Oh, there's something different. This task number three, I think. Also, where is it? I mean that there's no answer, but we can understand. Touch the file, add the contents, echo something into the file. Oh, maybe just make a new directory, add the content. Okay, but with this cat or ls, plus l, the file, then use pipe less with this cat things or ls thing, and then pipeline just work out with a C, and then just apply again and use tail minus and 20. Okay. Using variables. I do not understand theory, so I will not work with it. Can you just read it one? I will read once again to some later. Now, I go home. Use home's directory. Okay. User is the username. Shell is the user currently using. Lang is the language. Path is a list of directories separated by which by dot. Which is shall we search for the executable program. Okay. Create a variable docs which contains an absolute but your user documents folder where is exercise from your old home directory. So we use the cd command, create a variable docs. Okay, is create a variable docs. Equal, yeah, we do not need, we cannot use the spaces here, just make it like this. Do not use any spaces between anything. And then create this here, home your username documents, sneaky documents or $home slash documents. Like equal $home for user $shell $lang $path. Use the variable to create file name. Some file in the documents create a file name to touch a file. Because we create a variable docs before, so we can use $docs slash some file. And while we use the dollar signs, we can usually do it like this between the double quotes, or sometimes we can do like this to create a new variables. Like this. Create a batch variable error log. Test absolute value and live file name to the error.logging as shown below. Absolute path. Create a batch variable error log which contains the absolute path. Create it, just create things. Bash variable. Gosh, you see it. Sorry. Error log is a variable. Okay, slash tmp. Output slash document slash output log. Okay. Find mean dot star dot pdf. And this means that the output, we're gonna go to the $output. And this variable is the this document this file. Okay. The second we go to this file. Understand this? Okay. Make a copy of your user's smart or C file by using the pubback extension. Oh no, I do not understand this also. If we get it from the now version 8 is down green, you will notice that the water is inexplicably just the last floating. What is the interest mean? I don't know. That's it. There are too much things to not deny, not to understand these things. Make a backup copy of the file networks which is located in the etc folder. Okay, because we will have done so maybe we just look through the answers, obviously. Okay, maybe we will work with the solutions only because I don't have time at the moment. And so with my battery, okay, 22 percentage. I will get it once. Wait a minute. Backup. Okay, so I guess this time from this time I will do it on the solutions only. Just to remember things. Make a backup of your file networks which is located. So just move. And this time we have network. Okay, so just move or copy. A copy is much better, I think. Is it reverse into EDC? Well, okay, it's fine. The percentage F as we did something before. Mm-hmm. We will start. Why do we need sudo here? I don't know, but it will work like this. Copy etc.net slash network slash network blah blah blah. Create a new user student. We have while we need to add a new user student, we need us set the root, add the password. So the ID is UID. User as student, password student, and then UID student. Check the password file in the etc folder OS. All tab is okay, like OS. Okay, I think it's much better because it has been made legally right now. Exit. Yeah, we can see the dollar sign and the hashtag sign here. and this root, and only this root can have the permission to get the new user, to change the password, make a new ID, and then show it if the new password works well. Comment field is echo, I think. Tell minus n1. Okay, the user mode minus c to command. Ah, to add a command, we use user mode minus c. But we also need the sudo to do this. Drop in the directory for sudo so that the user can run command slash main slash id as we would using do. Visudo etc sudo the student. Visudo is gonna be replace the visudo with the cat. So show us this. And then what we do is now student all the first O is the what we can do with this file. There's gonna be everyone in the group have the permission to change in this file. Which file? This file. Okay, switch user student show the IE. And then sudo the IE that we can change the command root is sudo ID. Exit. It is the group add, I think. And if it is user add minus G, if they are if their first primary group, and if its second is A minus A and the capital G, and that we need to add the group first and the student second, username second, group name username. Here we are group add. Okay, we need the sudo here because you have to be able to create things. Minus G. Okay, group 1000 ACS. To check the sudo tail minus n1 to check the new group sudo tail minus n1. Okay. And then user mode AG if they are the secondary group. ACS is the group and the student is the this the ID obviously change the ID G minus G 1500. The student is the username, and then tell one this show us our result. Like student account expires. This is change CHAGE change into the 30 change and minus E expire. It's in the capital E. Okay, remember this like format. We can like they percent dot percentage of the plus percentage of also the left side. Okay, with who is student. That is I. Change before it was successful. Okay, and that's all of the things. There are much more things, but I will get once. Oh gosh, okay, just like the auto and auto codes. R is 4, W is 2, and X is 1. Is for user, group, and the others. Execute. Okay, I don't know how to get it. Okay, right, it is both. All of them is like the RW read write. 0 nothing. RW is all. There's 3 is like write and execute. This only execute. This all of them it is like 4 and 1 is for R and X. This only R only. Got it. Change amplify octaways. Octaways, so it means use like these 3 numbers. Only the owner, so the owner is the first one. read and write the file is like 600. We use chmod is change mode. Which file 700 600 and which file, the location of the file. Yeah, this is ODT. Order cannot read the file. Only the orders cannot read the file. This time, from this in a symbolic way. So it is O minus R. Mhm. The user has read-write access. Uh-huh. The read has read access. Others have no access. Octaway, so it is 640. Jamal obviously. Gosh, every time it's 700. Okay. Change permissions of the port symbolic way. Only the owner can root and access and make changes in the folder. Only the owner and the root. So it is O minus R minus X and the G plus W, I think. Yeah, UG is plus RWX. Ah, okay, it's fine. No worries. Oh, away. Owner can access, make changes, and execute the script. It is 700, obviously. Owner wrote the orders. Everyone can execute the script. Is O U G O plus X. Okay, plus X. O plus X, okay. Add the set GID bit to the prompt symbolic way. This symbolic way is like chmod, and then set GID is group ID. So it's G plus S. An exam on the octal way, it is going to be 2, and this one is 775 or 2770. Because with the GID, it means that only the groups and the users can change and have the things, read the links, but not all others or group members. Good show, it is change owner. It's CHOWN change O. Group owner, which group? I don't know. That is the change all student in the file my program. Okay, what does this mean? Root is the owner. Means that change owner to the owner from which root and which file, and they should be separated by the columns. Student at this time is the owner is the root and owner is the student. So it will be like this. Change permissions on the program so that whoever executes the program will execute with the permissions of the owner. Whoever executes the program execute with the permission of the owner, so it is set SID U plus S. Yeah, It means that user set SUID. Only the user have need to all of the thing needs the permissions of the owner. Yeah, you possess. And this term everyone executes. So you can see others can read and execute things because at this term we do not have the video here. So whoever read and executes it, we need this. So is Rx also here. So is Chmod also octaware is 1755. Y is 1. Because it's orders ever. Okay. Oh, there's something different because we use plus S here. It is, but it is the minus 1. I don't know why. It's something wrong. Hmm, it's kind of weird. Create the folder scripts in your user's home folder. Make directory minus V. Is optional. Yes, simple boost. Mhm. It is home. Yeah, home users. Homes like home hetero, for instance. I mean, kind of user's name, the username, the scripts. Using Vim inside a script text file, a script called count.sh having the following content. Okay, calico 0 and PID. Okay, so this is what we're going to do with our command prompt or terminal. Okay, so we will do here. Change the permission of a file to make it executable for owner group is chmod executable for owner group. At first, we need like uls minus al and the file count.sh to show what is who can read or execute or write things, and then we will make it executable for owner and group. So it is o comma no, no, no. U comma g plus x ug plus x ug plus x only. Okay, yeah, that's it. What you want? Okay, 774. Yeah, but I mean that we need to ls minus IL to show who is going to be. And at this time, pre I prefer this because at first we do not know who can read it. We do not know who has the vision for anything. So this much better UG plus X. Start the script using the command slash scripts sh. Okay, this is gonna be working the terminal. Open new terminal. Okay, the script is kill and the PID. Yeah, sure. We have the PID here. We need to kill the program ID, so we need to kill. Okay. Start script again. Open new terminal and secure signal. Q secure. Q minus 9. Okay, for the secure, we can also write Q minus 9 for the secure. Sig term, Q or sig term or Q or count. Default is sig term, PQ count. Okay, for the we have like I do not know what is the difference between the I can ask for the I forgot this. Yeah, we ask him for this. Q minus 9. Okay. Which force is the process to terminate immediately? Last resort. Oh, okay. Q15, sector Q15. And the determination by catching the signal is getting accurately allows grateful. Okay, okay, then Q allows graceful set down sectum explicitly send the sectum signal. Secure is promises immediate termination without clean up. Okay, so secure is more graceful and the secure minus 9 is much more immediate, I think. Enter the demand command. Okay, command dd is delete live. Live if def is variable if huh? Def zero off def no and I don't know what they're going to do. Load the fast feeding increasing and decreasing. Uptime up one user load average 6.98 to 1.5 136. Okay, the CPU were 6.98 multiplied by 8 because here are the 8 CPUs. This term, the load average, look at this. We have 8 CPUs and we was around 6. We consumed about 6.98. It is 87% in use, 80 percentage in use. The average load at 5 minute burst, okay, last 5 minutes is gonna be 2.45 and multiplied by 8 up divided by 8 last 15 minutes. This last 15 minutes is the last 1 minute, last 5 minutes, last 15 minutes. But it all need to based on those CV how many CPUs they are working. So they are increasing. As you can see, last 15 minutes only use 18 percentage. Last 5 minutes they use 30%, and last one they use 87 percentage. New user is pseudo user Elisa, and then pseudo password Elisa. Switch user to Elisa. Startup will consumes a lot of CPU. DDF, okay. Should comment to list all processes belonging to user Elisa. I should comment to keep all processes belonging to Elisa. So it is ls. Pgrep. Oh, to list all process. We use pgrep. Okay, minus L for long listing. Minus U, what is minus U going to do? Elisa. I will show her work with the PQ or Q sector review Q slightly and more gracefully. Elisa. Oh, because we need the pass-through for killing. Yeah, obviously. Remove the user layer, including all version with the pseudo user layer minus R. Mhm. Okay, that's it for assignment number 8. Next, assignment number 9 controls system diamonds. To see the status of firewall diamond. System control status firewall. Firewall D. Yes, system control status. With a firewall daemon, we automatically started at bit time. Sudo system control is enabled. Sudo system control is enabled. Well, the firewall daemon we will automatically start at boot time. At boot time is enabled. Active is working, and the enable. Okay, it is enabled. Why? If it doesn't start automatically, how can you ensure that it starts at boot time? How can you ensure that it starts at boot time? Why is disabled here? Oh, boot time. Okay, so it's disabled. It automatically start boot time, so it is enable firewall, and if it does not start automatically, so it is disabled. If it does not start automatically, you disable the firewall, so it work. Okay. Already at boot time, if it work automatically or not, we just need to ask if it is enabled or not. I see. And if it starts automatically when starting at boot time, so it's enable the firewall. So what is gonna firewall gonna do? It will prevent when we start it. If it's we use pseudo system control is enabled, it will show us that if it has been started automatically at boot time. And if doesn't start it automatically, we need to disable the firewall. Disable firewall so it start automatically every time. And if we don't want it to start it every time, we use enable it. So if we enable the firewall, it will not work every time. Okay, I understand this. And how can you prevent all services audience start firewall service? All services mask firewall. Okay, let me understand things. Let me understand things. Okay, we have the firewall and check it works every time. My is enable is a question. If it works, how can we stop it? Just enable the firewall. So enable the firewall will stop it. And if it does not work, how can we will start? Just disable the firewall so everything will work. Okay, I see. And then we have it stops. It not does not start. We need to disable the firewall. Okay, the mask is gonna be prevent all the services to start the firewall. Okay, yeah, just tired thinking about this. What is the difference between these three commands? System control, reload, restart, reload or restart. Reload, we just reload configuration. Restart is restart service stopped, and then followed by the start. So it's read again, but all activities were stopped. All of the activity were stopped. It stopped first, followed by the start. It's read again. It just read again, reloads. Do not read again, or like stop, which is just do it again once again. But we will have stop and just do it once again. There's like a break of between the restart. And also just an option to reload with reload if possible. Restart if the reload option is not available. Oh, reload if it is possible. If it's not available, we will restart. Okay. List unified style equal path. List union files dash time dash type equal path. Okay. Oh, that's it. Oh, kind of interesting. Let me check it once again. Sudo system control list union files type path type equal path. Okay, next. 7 10. Wow, 10 already. Maybe it could be we can stop at around 11. Configure and secure SSH solutions. Log into your virtual Linux machine, run the command to check if SSH is up and running. Yes, status. To check system control, like what we did before, is active. Okay. Create the visitor user add password visitor. Okay. Because check it. Terminus N1. Try to use the switch user SU visitor. Lookout exit. This will make SS transmission with our own machine. Okay, from your own user share, user visit to your own server, which is called localhost. SSH visitor at localhost. Here is the name and the group, the server, your user at localhost. The okay, the island city of host, localhost can be established. Okay, so what we become first time launching via SSH, the fingerprint of the server, public key is not yet saved in the host file. Okay. SSH system and log in again the second time and you get a fingerprint message again. No, it should be no. Go back to your own user shell. Okay. So what is gonna happen? What happened here? So this time we log into our localhost with visitor, and then it asks us about the authenticity, and it can be established because of the localhost of this term, and then we show us the key fingerprint, and if you sure to continue connecting, if yes, so at the second time it will not show any messages with this again. Okay, read as prepare for what's passwordless authentication code visitor localhost. Look at it in the upload.sh at the fast phrase to the key. Very blank. SSA key gen minus f as a visitor localhost. Okay, understand this? Good. Just like SSA for the secure shell. And then we use keygen to create key pair for passwordless. Minus f, then which file the .sh folder, visitor localhost, and then ls.ssh folder. Copy ID. We usually use like the SSH dash something. This one is dash copy each dash ID. This is dash keychain. And then I is for case case sensitive. SSH is it the local host? Not pub. Uh-huh. To this visitor at localhost. To configuration the user visitor on your localhost. Okay. And then yeah, it works. Oh, okay. Chmod. She using read write for the elderly cases Chmod. Cat SSH config. It shows all of the files here. SSHV underscore lock localhost passwordless. So localhost users you choose for this connection. Okay. Oh, I see. But I will read it once again on Tuesday. Just read it once into understanding the concept. IP address show. IP, but as we are brief is something short. Address show depth. ENB OS8. Our address show ENB0S8. Okay, we show the IP address. Show host dns.google.com. The ticket is use ping. Okay, dig or host. Which can we use to find out which IP address corresponds with the name. So a host on dig. The ping is check the connectivity. Okay, -4. IP version 6 is ping -6. Ping 6, okay. Change the host name of your virtual machine. This is host name control. After we have system control, this time we have host name control. And change the host name to Nirvana. IP route. Ping to check the connectivity. Sudo vi cat to show all of the things. Okay, so we have like at first we have to check the host corresponds, yeah, found which IP address corresponds with the name of its host. On the IG, check the connectivity. We use the ping with the IP, which version, version 6.4 for instance. So we can see here. Next, we have the new host name control host name Nirvana here. This IP route will show us our default gateway. Yeah, it's default. Beyond this ping gateway to check our the gateway. So VI etc host and cat is etc host slash etc slash host. Okay, nothing difficult here. Just pick up a lot of things. Sudo DNF up. DNF install. PostgreSQL server minus y. Sudo user bin setup in that database. Check if it's running. Is check the system control say status. Start it. Just start system control start. Make sure PostgreSQL start automatically on boot. It is enabled. The firewall enable what things? If check if anything's automatically on boot is enabled, disabled if it does not automatically work. Prevent because is firewalling. Is version of the firewall. Okay, with firewall. Ask if it's an automatic noise is enabled and if it's work automatically how to prevent it. Use enable to prevent the firewall work. And then with the disable, if it does not work automatically, how it works, we use disable, but this time is not reverse. Mhm. Make sure star on boot is you enable. Combine commands D dot and E dot in one command. System controls but press and system to enable. Okay. I prefer this because it's more easy. It's easier. Edit the configuration file bar libvirt PostgreSQL data posting local Finder appears to be breached or host on the adapter. Restore the PostgreSQL to make the change take effect. So we have restarting the system control restored. The PostgreSQL service. Fill in the IP address. Yeah, what you said. Oh, I had a line here for file var. Blah, 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 blah. Just fill in this with only host only adapter. Okay. Edit the configuration file. Change your password. Database user Postgres using the following commands. Linux user Postgres. Okay, so we're just gonna be looking at the users, which user Postgres. Okay. Use the SQL command to change the database user password is password only. Or is PSQL minus C. Alter user posted with passwords. Okay, I do not know this. Change password for a base user password using the following commands. Ah, P post SQL. Let's see for change on, and then we have double quotes. Change alter user Postgres. Alter user Postgres with then with codes. Which password? Yeah, it's firewall. So the system control status firewall service. services that are allowed to be accessed by the firewall, sudo firewall slash cmd dash dash list services. Okay, we have sudo firewall cd dash cmd dash dash service equal PostgreSQL dash dash permanent. Firewall running in the project is not listed the allowed services that are deployed to the firewall settings. Okay, remember this is extremely crucial. In like is CMD, then dash dash for something, and it's term list services. We have two dash here. So we connect things with the dash. Okay, this we have two dash here. First one for creating as service equal pro at service, which is PostgreSQL, and the add the which options permanent. Reload is system control reload. Okay, this is a pseudo firewall CMD. With the firewall, there is actually a command of it is firewall slash CMD, which we need to remember. And we have options in the arguments. It is the is dash that below dash that add at which a service as with which the service is PostgreSQL, which we do list services in the firewall dash CMD. Accessible by listing firewall services until like this firewall dash CMD dash that list dash the services. We should make new PG admin connection from your host operating system to your database server. If you can connect something you went wrong in the previous steps. Uh-huh. You can access Linux file system solutions. Next, the final one this night. File. Which files do your files belong to user root or user minus user root and have size greater is minus size is dash size and then plus 60 m. Your display error is like 2 as we do is 2 greater def new. That's this. We go need file is minus dash type and f for folder. With the file of our sorry file folder is D. Mhm. Which files in your home directory have been changed last minute? It should be file slash dot dash type f dash m min minus 10. Okay. Folders is minus dash type D. Contain the word root in the pool path. So it's dash name. And then we like use like this. I don't remember, but there's something to contain the root, and then to return to the stars blah 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 and run output. I mean like greater and then slash tmp blah 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 and then to greater blah blah blah. Okay, then okay, here it is. We put it in the double quotes. And the root we can start in any places. So there's one zero to many, zero to many here. This right now is to you. Okay. Get a listing of all block devices. It is LSB, okay? List block. System include which file system they use. Sudo list of file. Yeah, file pp fp. Sudo algorithm list block. We use sudo. Oh, sorry guys. Much disk space is free in the root. With the human readable is minus h units is kb, gb, mb. There is disk free. Disk which disk space is free. How can you find out how much space used by folder boot and noise folders in the command with super user rise sudo and then minus h and then slash boot slash star du disk usage super disk usage minus h. Oh, that's it. Wow, what a wonderful night. Just the case of lesson today. Have a nice night, guys.